What's up, guys? Good morning. It's Street Car Takeover Charlotte. So I've got the car out. I am about to get it tech inspected. I'm going to be running it in test and tune today, so we'll get a couple of clips. The rest of the time it will be in the booth with Power Pro, but I figured I'd get some cool video and stuff. So yeah, enjoy the day. Let's get it tech inspected. All right, we done and passed tech. Last time I went through a tech inspection, my tie down was a problem. It is not anymore, and that feels good. All right, let's get set up at camp. All right, we are set up at the Power Pro booth right over here. We got Jeff and LaClaw doing their thing, selling doing the good deeds, selling all the Power Probes. Car is set up and ready to go. I'm about to go over it a couple times, just make sure oil's all topped off and tires are at the right pressure and all that fun stuff. We'll get the GoPro 360 cam on the back of it. But yeah, she'll be ready to go. And in case you don't know the setup and it's the first time you're here, it is a 1.5 JZ, making, I guess, around like $650 if I had to guess right now. I made like $595 last time before we really had it dialed, and before VTI was working, and before the non-VTI hard compression block. So yeah, should be making a good jam. We just dialed in the boost by speed, so it's in boost and it stays in traction all the time. So I'm really excited to see what the setup does. So we'll see what it does on the quarter mile. We're going to be roll racing it. So yeah, let's see how it does. All right, about to go run. We're in the lanes. Let's see what we can do here. It's hot. No problem, but I missed third and I think I missed fourth, and I couldn't get into boost right away. He was leading like crap. I don't think we were going 40. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so I went a 120 in lane 2. Dude on the left of me did not stage. He was looking at me, so the left lane actually like paces you, and he's staring at me like I was waiting for me to go. I'm like, dude, like, I literally look at him, I'm like, over there, dude. I recorded it. Did you? You got that video? Oh, yeah, perfect. I can't wait to see that. Yeah. But yeah, so I went 120 mile an hour in the trap, but I broke way before the beams because I got kind of scared. I didn't know where it ended. Yeah. So let's try that again. I got the jitters out of the way. I was definitely a little nervous. Anyway, let's try that again. All right, we're up in the lanes. Now it's gonna be me and Taylor rehashing out our last race. 1, 2, 3, go! And it's gonna go the same, except they won't be as close. He'll be pulling away faster. But we're in the lanes of the cars. The cars look good together. Cool setups. And then Ryan's in the RS3. And look at these two sweet ass Cyclones. Very cool. But yeah, this is gonna be the race. Let's have some fun. I missed third again, but that was a better run, and I ran it to the top of fourth, so we know exactly what the top of fourth is. I should grab fifth. So one more run and I feel like I'll get a good one that I'll be happy with. But that was more mile an hour. We'll see exactly what. I don't know what. I'm not paying attention to any of that. Better mile an hour, 126, and the car weighs 3290. Pretty cool stuff. Had a better run that time. Went 126 this time, trap of a 10.9, something like that. Hit the top of fourth, right at the top. So I'm gonna grab fifth this time and see if I can not miss third. So let's try this again, run it back. guys, I'm really happy with those runs. So I went at 126 again. It was a little actually slower. The difference in shifting to fifth and getting down on boost and getting back into it is no different than just staying in fourth and riding it out. Taylor said I can add like 100 to 200 RPM to it and bump it just to get a couple more mile an hour out of it. Probably could, but I mean, I'm just testing tuning. I'm not trying to be in eliminations. It would be pretty decently competitive in like the 130 class if we were able to bump it a little bit, but it doesn't matter. I'm here just to have some fun. So the car did great. It looks great. It stayed together, and that last one I got a good clean run. We beat that E36. You saw the video, so that was pretty fun. So I'm happy with the runs today, and I'm ready to go bring it on Carolina Motorsports Park for some track stuff. So yeah, thanks for joining us. I will see you in the next video, and that's Roll Racing the IS. It's a 10-second car, a 10-second roll race car, but I'll count it. A lot of people won't. I'm half kidding, but I'm definitely gonna say that again. Anyway, see you next week. Bye guys. Like, subscribe.